Okay, so we've had a disaster within the fish room. I was making RO water and I forgot about it, and I don't have a float valve because I don't have the right RO holding system. So it overflowed, I'd say 10 gallons. It made 5 gallons and then just overflowed 10 gallons. And it leaked all the way down the hallway, and it completely flooded the laundry room where the RO system is. So we've got a heater, well, we've got 2 chairs underneath 8 feet of carpet that's completely drenched. Got a space heater underneath it, like it's creating a tunnel so that when the heat goes in, it just fills it up, and then we've got a fan to try and help, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, it's the next day after flooding my basement with RO water. I'll just tell you the whole story about what happened. So I just did a water change on one of the discus tanks, and after water change I have to fill up my RO mixing bucket, which is right here. And as soon as I finished the water change, I took my barrel to the RO filter and I turned it on. It takes about an hour and 20 minutes to fill up 4 gallons of RO water. So I totally forgot about it, and I ended up having dinner, which was probably about the hour and 20 mark from starting the filter and eating. Then we waited around and waited around and waited around, and then I had to go out for a haircut because I have an event coming up. So halfway through a haircut, my heart sank to the lowest part of my body. I was panicking in this chair while this guy's cutting my hair. We're racing home afterwards, and my dad's already cleaning up the mess, or he's already started pulling up the carpet. Yeah, so he had like 10 towels completely soaked. And the carpet was pulled up. He had a wet dry vac down here. Yeah, just, it was like 11 o'clock when we all decided it's done and that we'll see what it's like in the morning. So we set up a tunnel of carpet. So the carpet was laying over 2 chairs, and at the end there was a fan, and on the ground there was a space heater, so the fan was blowing the heat and drying the carpet at the same time. So this morning I woke up, everything's dry. There's a piece of underlay of the carpet, so there's cement, underlay, carpet. And the underlay was so wet that it just started falling apart, so we lost a good chunk of that. Yeah, that's basically it. I'll be putting it back together here later today, but just a reminder that stuff doesn't always go your way in a fish room. So yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see me flood my basement again. So.